friends. What are friends? A person who knows and from who has a bond of mutual affection, typically exclusive of sexual or family relations. So that means that, according to definition, there's no in between both of them. Either it's family oriented or sexual. Of course, I have plenty of non just platonic friendships, and they do the various things they do. But if you ask me, when I dig more deeper into this and I study more about it, I don't have friends. I don't have friends. I don't, and I'm explaining why. Because if I'm only going to limit myself to those two conceptions, then it must be another word for there. There must be another word for it, nothing another title. Because things like friend, it's a bunch of cute shit. It's cool. So what I did was I broke it down into two sections. Either you all that I got, or you're irrelevant. Irrelevant could go two ways also. Irrelevant meaning that I just don't know you, therefore I'm not necessarily physically checking on you, but you still exist though. So I don't want to become all disrespectful. You still exist. You're just irrelevant. Or you had to have been in my life before, and you done something so detrimental that I can't even rock with you no more. You can't be in my circle, so therefore you became irrelevant. So yeah, the two things to me: either you relevant or I get. With this, we have to definitely do this because we need unity. We need unity at an all-time high because the enemy seems to be thriving at an all-time high. But a lot of people, have to understand that probably gonna be having to put up a fight. Otherwise, you might lose your life, or you need to do what you need to do to survive and get the hell out the way, which is cool too because you wouldn't want to be part of all this. So yeah, do what you do what you do to survive. Because you're either all I get or you're irrelevant. And if you think the same way, you're either all I get or I'm irrelevant. I'm cool with being either or. Just know I have no friends.